Hey, how's everybody doing? Spike here in the shop. I decided that I was going to make this base, the relationship nightmare, I was going to make it as a neck through. And then I got to watching T-Check's video where he carved that cherry guitar. And I got some big hunks of Sycamore around there, so I don't think why I just don't take this and lay it on there and just mark it out and do it and just take away whatever don't look like a damn guitar. First, I got to transfer some measurements from off of it onto it so I have them on it when I get there. So let's get that done. Put my glasses on so I can see what I'm working on, and let's go to work. Okay. 35-inch scale. 24 threads. Okay. Now, we got all the measurements moved on to here, so we got them where we want them now, right? Let's go for it. Okay, let's go look. Hey there guys, Spike here in the shop. You know, I had a little malfunction today on the Melody Maker, and I'm gonna still work on it. I got another half of it here, and I got to make another half, but I needed to figure out where I could get my other halves out of. Okay, so I had these two big slabs of Sycamore, and I figured what I could do is, well, maybe I could take that nightmare base I've been looking at, thinking about doing a neck through, and instead of doing a neck through, why don't we just cut the whole guitar out of it like this? Yeah, why don't we just cut it out like that? Exactly. I mean, I've seen it done. I mean, it may be a little high on my skill level, but I think I can get to it. So I just have to take my time, work at it slow, which is hard for me to do, but I'm gonna show you what this piece of wood looks like up close. So hey, first let's do an unveil of how it's gonna look when we cut it, and then you can see it up close. You ready? Let's pull it out. You ready? Here we go. Y'all notice the figuring goes all, look at this, all the way down through here, all this, all the way into the middle here. Now this is the back. That one had a knot right in the worst place up there. It'd be perfect if it wasn't for that little knot up there. I could get exactly what I want and use all this crazy figure right in here, but I just can't get anything that long, so I'm just going to make some necks out of it. That's what I'm going to do. So, hey, let me bring you in and show you up close what this looks like. Here we go. There's the figuring going down the neck, guys. And then we're going to pull back. Get y'all a little better look at all the figuring here going on. You can't really see it much till it's sanded out and it's got some finish on it and cleaned up, but yeah. I'm thinking it might make a pretty darn sweet little guitar, so, or actually a big old bass. But instead of trying to make a neck through, why don't I just make it all in one piece? I mean, there ain't no difference except them two little wings on the side. How much difference can that be? So if all goes worse, I'll cut them suckers off and forget about them and put them back on. Well, that's a general idea of what this base is going to look like out of this piece of wood. And, well, we're just going to cut it out of it, see how we can come and get it out. So we'll see what it goes. Y'all want to see? Let's watch it. If these buildings like this is a pain, I'll be glad to get it cut down in small pieces, to be honest with you. So, there it is, and that's what the wood grain's going to look like. We're just going to have to get in it and see what it looks like inside. So, you know what? I might just take off and do that. Watch me go. Pull this back here. Just go straight off the end and catch this piece into the easier than trying to mess with it. Yep, I love it. Let me turn it around so I make myself easier to work. Now, we got it right there. We're going to take that off, and we got plenty to play with here. And I left myself a lot of room. You know something? I think I could take this net down and make it easier to work with, a whole lot easier with this than I can bandsaw. Get some of this weight off of it, then I can bring it back to the bandsaw and trim it closer. Let's do that. We're going to try to put this right here. Now, that's going to be a nice neck. Look at that. Perfectly straight quarter sawn grain for a neck. That'll make at least one. It makes make two if I put it in a fender neck. So there we go. We got another side over here to get off. Let's see. Let's just do the same thing again, I guess. It seemed to work, don't y'all think? Get all I can on this piece leaf for another neck. Let's do it. guess that's the start. What do you think? Hey, how's everybody doing? I just come in from the wood shop and I've been working on this new project here. The Nightmare Relationship Base, you know, it's a Washburn Teak 25 5-string. And I'm thinking about doing it with a short neck, then I was thinking about a neck through, and well, I got to looking at that wood I had piled up out there and I had enough to do this. So yeah, I got it all in one piece. So yeah, I guess I got my job cut out for me. I got to take away everything that doesn't look like a T25 base. Yeah, that's what they tell me anyway. So we'll just start taking stuff off, and we'll take off stuff till it doesn't look like, well, till it looks like a base. That's all I know to do. You'll see what this wood looks like. Come on in, let's look at it. There she lays. I guess y'all want to see what's under there, don't you? Why not? Let's look at it. Y'all ready? This is that little piece of sycamore I bought a big old chunk of. And let's just see what's under here, guys. Huh. I don't know about y'all, but I'm already liking it. What I want to see is what it looks like when you put a little bit of something on there to clean it off, you know, bring it up and make it light up. Y'all ready? I guess that'd be the front side. All this flecking in it everywhere, and this side here is a little more solid, but this all got fleck in it. And it's a perfect quarter sawn board, the whole thing. So I got a whole quarter sawn base. Now let's roll this over here and look at the other side of it right quick. Let's line it up, see what it looks like. Y'all ready? There'll be the back. Get y'all in for that neck shot. Now let's look at the edge. You want to see the edges? Let's see what the edges look like on this thing. Pretty sharp. There's your front. There's your front right there. Okay guys, I broke half the melody maker today. So at 7 o'clock I started on this tonight. And I'm thinking it's closing in on about 10 o'clock now, and I'm fixing to go start editing this. So y'all get to see it tomorrow most likely if I get it done, and there's not that much of it, so maybe you will. Hey, y'all be good. Stay out of trouble, and come back and see me next time, and make sure you subscribe so you can keep up. I got the one-piece base coming. Yep, one-piece base. Just got to figure out what to take away so it makes it look like a base. That's what they tell me anyway. Just take away stuff so it looks like a base. So that's what we're going to do. Hey, y'all stick with it. Stay around. Appreciate you coming by.